Hello and welcome back to another Scriptcase by Jamie macro day, and today we are checking out the alternative from last week's macro video once again, and that has been now 4 action bar buttons in a row, and of course each of these have been very similar. One of them hid, the other displayed or hide and show, and now we disable, and in today's macro we enable. So we are back within our blank application, and here we can then very quickly change our disable here from last week to enable, and that would then enable the action bar button. Now I'm going to highlight it again that this macro does not work within the blank application. I'm only adding it here so you can visualize it easily. And then we need to dive into our grid application, which is just right here, and of course it looks pretty similar right now because we are viewing the event on record, and within this event we are controlling our action bar buttons. So we have an active status from one of our fields here, which is then 1 or 0, yes or no, whichever you like, and we are then adding here within the if statement, if it's 1, then the action bar state is active, and then we will disable the edit button. Now here on the alternative, we want to then enable the button. So here we can add a little space here, and then it's sc underscore action bar underscore enable, because this time we want to enable these buttons, and we need to open and close that again and add our button edit within that. And then with that we can go ahead now and run this grid application, and we are now enabling and disabling the button depending on the status of the client. And just like that, we can then customize the view of that or customize the capabilities, and again maybe switch that around so that it is enabled when it is active and then disabled when it's not active. And just like that, we can then go ahead and run that grid application again, and we have that immediate change displayed within our action bar buttons, and we can dynamically adjust and change what is available to our end users. And with that, that was all for today's macro video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope these videos are helping you. If they are, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, because they are of course just made for you. So thanks for watching, and until the next macro day.